Good morning, Stan. I just wanted to give you a quick video tour. I do have a 2016 brand new touring Mazda 3 hatchback, as you can see. Quick look at the sticker here. Quick look at the inside. Beautiful interior, hands-free control. Hidden cup holders, always nice. Plenty of storage. Electric parking brake, sport mode. Nice room in the back. This moonroof here. Leather seats. Go around, you can see the nice hatchback space. It does have a cover here to hide your shopping. Tire and storage area in the bottom. Beautiful rims. Quick picture. Mike Powers here from Prime Mazda. Love to have you come in. Give me a call. We'll set up an appointment and I'll be glad to help you. 207-571-5044.